Welcome to my channel, Auto Expert Garage. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the all-new 2026 Audi R8, a car that marks the end of an era but does it in the most spectacular way possible. This isn't just another supercar update, it's a farewell to a legend. So, let's buckle up and take a closer look at what makes this R8 so special. At first glance, the 2026 Audi R8 is a true masterpiece. Audi has pushed the boundaries of design with a wider stance, sharper lines, and a redefined front grille that exudes aggression. The slimmer laser LED headlights add a futuristic touch, while the aerodynamics have been completely reworked. Active air vents, a larger rear diffuser, and a massive fixed rear wing improve downforce and stability at high speeds. This isn't just a car, it's a statement of speed and precision. Now, let's talk performance. Under the hood, the legendary 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10 makes a triumphant return, delivering around 650 horsepower. But Audi isn't stopping there, there's also a hybrid-assisted version that cranks out over 700 horsepower, making this the most powerful R8 ever built. With a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 2.7 seconds, this beast is quicker than ever, and thanks to Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system, handling is razor-sharp. The dual-clutch transmission ensures lightning-fast shifts, making every drive an adrenaline rush. Step inside, and the futuristic experience continues. The cockpit is designed for the driver, featuring Audi's Virtual Cockpit 2.0, a massive HUD display, and a sleek, minimalist center console packed with the latest tech. Audi has also introduced an AI-driven driving assistant, making daily driving easier without taking away from the thrill of the R8. And for those looking for something truly special, Audi is offering a farewell edition with Alcantara racing seats, carbon fiber trim, and exclusive badging to celebrate the end of this legendary model. This might be the last time we see an R8 powered by a roaring V10, as Audi prepares to transition toward full electrification. It's a bittersweet moment, but if this truly is the final R8, Audi is making sure it goes out with an unforgettable bang. So, what do you think? Is this the best R8 ever made? Would you go for the pure V10 or the hybrid version? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more amazing car content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.